guys, it's me, Miss Brittney.
And me, Audrey.
And today we are going to show you a super cool rock dig kit. This is the one that we have. We got ours from a friend, so I'm not positive exactly how much this one costs, but it is a really nice one. But I do know that you can find them on Amazon for between around $15 to $25, depending on how fancy you want to get with it.
We have a couple of tools that it came with. There is a mallet. There's also a chisel. If yours doesn't come with a brush to brush off the dust, you can just get a paintbrush if you want. These two we will be using in part 2. It's a magnifying glass to look at the rocks.
And I'm going to stretch this up because her arms aren't that long, just a itty bitty magnifying glass.
This is a rock stroke or something.
It is a streak block, and these are going to help us, or a streak tile. It's going to help us later to identify what gems we find inside of our sand block.
Also, ours comes with a little sack to put the rocks in. Also, remember to wear like goggles so that nothing flies into your eyeballs.
Yes, we want to have fun, but we want to make sure that we're being safe. So if you get a kit that doesn't come with goggles, it would be a good idea to get some. And
or a pair of glasses that you don't care about.
That could maybe work too. So one of the reasons that we wanted to do this activity is because it's a great activity for kids to work on their fine motor skills, and it's a great way for kids to get interested in science while being hands-on. She thinks it's very fun, right? She's done one of these before, but we haven't done this exact one yet, so I think we're going to get started.
Okay.
So you're just going to take your chisel or your dowel, and you're going to put it on your block and use your mallet to bang away.
Also, remember to not just hit it with the mallet. Make sure you use your chisel.
Because it could be dangerous otherwise.
It could fly everywhere.
It's probably going to work best if you start near the outside. We have discovered that it works better if you go at it from the corners. That's starting to knock off some bigger pieces.
Like this.
Yeah.
We knew that you guys weren't going to want to watch it just keep doing this. Why are you laughing? You can actually use household tools, and we finally found one.
What's it look like?
It's like mostly green, and it has a little bit of like a pinkish, brownish line in the middle.
It's really pretty. So you totally can use the mallet and the little chisel that it comes with. It's just very time consuming. So if you have something like this at home and you're comfortable with your kids using it, I recommend it because we just found our first one and we're pretty far in. But are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in the bag.
Having lots of fun.